Jeff's got their urea pumping. Looks like we got to call on the pros to get this tire off. Hey, bud.
Can you watch that urea?
Little rain, yeah. Yeah.
When you're done, you just flip the toggle.
Beauty. Oh, she's getting pretty full. Plumb full of urea over there. Jeff's just got to treat some barley. Oh, it's coming, man. It's better than last time, actually. You want me to fill that with the other blend as well?
Yeah.
What's that? Yeah, good. That looks way better. She's lined up. Fertilizer unit getting filled. Jeff, oh, looks like he's done pumping barley down there. Jeff's loaded with barley. I'm loaded with fertilizer. Let's head out to Randy. Refill. Little ones? Big ones? Yeah, I'll take a look. Hoses to fix. A bit of a hole. One of our barley runs here. Spitting a few out, we'll have to replace. It's been patched up, but throw a new one in there. The fertilizer flowing now. Had to get the other truck and the grinder. Got this old beast out. Little hole. Got my new piece in. I think there's another one we got to replace though. Randy's all filled up, ready to go. It's my new one. There's another hole somewhere here. Looks like maybe our duct tape has ran out there. What's that?
I gotta swap this guy out. It's junk. Yep.
Did you find the hole over here?
We'll fire up the fan and
Yeah. Cool.
those little plastic pieces came undone.
Yeah, we got a bit of fertilizer out the back here. Figure out where that's coming from. Another holy one. Got her.
She down. Yeah.
That's where this is coming from?
Yeah.
All right. Good,
Yeah,
good.
blowing all over this place.
Randy is filled. Had a few hoses to replace. He should be good to roll for a few more hours now. I'll go see what I can do now. Looks like the tire guys were by. I don't know if they fixed a hole there or what, but the tire's full. Great. Gotta get that block out from underneath here. Beautiful. Safety first. You know how we roll. Just trying to get our little side ramp back on here. Oh yeah. I think I got these 7-foot forks on. Lovely. Oh yeah. One down, one snug. Oh yeah, there you go. Perfect. Sounds like we're gonna get a little 5-minute rain shower here. Oh yeah, a little bit of a shower. Oh. They were big fat drops, but I am seeing hail now. Little hail shower. Can't do much damage right now, so just in the sprayer trailer here. Buttoning up all the connections that we loosen off for winter, so there's no cracking of the fittings for water to freeze, etc. I don't know what that chemical is down here, but something smells pretty good. Ow. Okay. Sweet. I think I got most of them. Wow. Left out in the winter, all winter, and the Econo Power battery survives. I don't know how that works right now, honestly. Every other battery needs a charge. They're splitting, cracking. Not the Econo Power. See if this pump fires up. Oh yeah. Good sign. See a little plug here that must go underneath here. I'm currently just racing to go tarp up the trucks. Jeff's in the city or for it, and he says it's absolutely pouring, and it's heading this way. The last thing we need is a truck full of fertilizer getting rained on. Racing to beat this rain. I made it here very fast, but that's where Jeff is, and that's where the rain's coming from. We're starting to get a few drops here. I'm just leaving the field, so I actually just barely beat the rain. Oh, there's a couple big rocks here I can get. Just getting back to the yard here. This fertilizer under the bin, I maybe got rained on a bit. I don't know how, sideways rain, I guess. Or it was just that humid, but it just clumps up. Turns rock hard. Not that stuff. But leave it for a bit, we're screwed. That's why we tarped up the truck. Oh yeah, the rain showed up. So we did see a fair bit of rain here in the yard just over the last hour or so. Randy said it poured on him a bit. Not enough to shut him down, just enough to make things sticky. So he's gonna keep rolling, and I'm just heading out there to give him a hand filling back up. Refill.
Mud. It's mud. It's poured over there. And the beans are like under the feet already.
Cool.
I don't think they make it worthwhile to spray.
Randy is refilled. Been greased. Now Jeff and I are just taking a couple of the trucks home because apparently there's another rain cloud coming. So our in-house meteorologist, Jeff, says we got about 2 hours until it rains. So Randy should hopefully finish this field. But it definitely rained a lot more back at the yard than here, because otherwise I probably wouldn't be driving through this field. Getting that close-ups. Jeff's new little disc. Sure bouncing around on that thing.